Hello, I'm Sean and I'm here to give you an overview of the BigRep Studio G2, our latest offering for industrial additive manufacturing. Let's have a closer look. The G2 has a build volume of 1 meter by a half meter by a half meter, making it BigRep's slimmest offering to fit into any office or factory floor. The system is fully enclosed, making it both quiet and protected from dust or other airborne obstructions. With front-facing doors that feature safety fail-safes like an auto shutdown upon opening, the G2's enclosure helps ensure operator safety. Our advanced extruders enable printing with fiber-filled materials and improve printing with BigRep's wide range of industrial filaments. Every component has been upgraded, coming standard with a long-lasting 0.6mm steel nozzle. We've also introduced semi-automatic print bed leveling. With built-in sensors, users can easily see the bed's distance points and automatically level before printing. The print bed is fast heating, capable of rapidly reaching 100 degrees Celsius for optimal print adhesion and minimal print time. On the main interface, users can see a clear overview of the system and easily manage print jobs, preheat the system, set temperatures, manually control the extruder arm, enter G-code into the terminal, and calibrate through the advanced settings. The back of the system features an exhaust, where optional air filtration systems can be easily installed to meet any need. The Studio G2 has 2 heated filament chambers, an important feature for hydroscopic materials like PA666 and for water-soluble materials like BVOH. The system features modular temperature controls, so users can select a unique setting for both the filament chambers and the print envelope. This has been a brief introduction to the BigRep Studio G2, a versatile system with wide material capabilities to meet any need. For more information about this and other BigRep systems, visit our website at bigrep.com.